Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Google Lens. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Google Lens application from your device and you will be asked to allow access onto your storage. Tap on Go to Settings and then from the permission menu, choose Photos and Videos. You can then allow access and now you will be taken into the application interface. Now, if you have already added your Google account onto your device, then you will be taken into the Google Lens application homepage right away, from which you can open up your camera and access your gallery photos. If you have not added your Google account already, you might be asked to log in to your Google account using your credentials. So just type in your Google email address and then enter your account password and then log into your Google account and you will be logged into Google Lens as well. You can then start using the Google Lens application freely from your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your account on Google Lens. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.